So I have a Honda Accord here. This one got hit right in the front right here. It's getting a new complete radiator assembly. I have the new one right here. I'm gonna go ahead, pretty basic hit, these are pretty common. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make a quick pull on this where this is pushed in right here. Reason being is even though this is getting replaced, when this got pushed in, it could have spread these outer areas where it mounts from when that went in. It could have moved those a little bit, tweaked them. So I want to use the old radiator support to make those shift back. So I'll pull this back to where it's supposed to be. And then I'll go ahead and cut it off after that. See, I could see all of this moving. You won't be able to see it in the video, but I can see all of this moving slightly as I bring that back out. So it would have caused me a problem fitting the new one in, being that these outer parts are off, but this will square it up. Make a couple X measurements. Make sure it's square. Looks pretty good. Now before grinding, you always want to make sure you cover any hoses or anything like that so metal shavings doesn't get inside the engine. AC lines, they have special different types of connectors you can put on those that actually have a rubber seal that seals them up. Just want to make sure all that kind of stuff is sealed up. Alright, I got this radiator support all fit up, ready to weld. I bolted on the reinforcement bar because it actually bolts up to the radiator support and to the frame rails just to make it sit in the exact position where it's supposed to. And I measured it out, it fits like a glove perfectly, so, and it measures out good, so I'm gonna go ahead and weld this guy in. Now there's a bunch of spots I have to do some MIG welds because I won't be able to get the spot welder to them. Then I have like these spots here that I'm going to spot weld, but the spots that I can't get to both sides with the arm of the spot welder, I have to MIG weld, which is about half of it probably.